everybody, I'm Chelsea and I'm so grateful you chose to watch this video today. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a highly requested video. Like 4 people asked me to do a length check. So I'm going to be doing a length check and then I'm starting this growth challenge. So I figured it'd be good to get some baseline measurements so we can see whether or not the challenge works. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment down below the length of your hair or any other video requests you have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So I did my second big chop back in January and it is April now. So I think I'm gonna start in the front. I mean, I can't believe I got this much growth in just a year and 3 months, but you know, we gon' see. Psych! It's a wig, y'all. I don't know if you could tell or not, but this is a wig. If you want to see my review on it, check out my last video that I posted on Wednesday. Hopefully you were fooled. Hopefully you laughed. I'm going to take off the wig. So I washed my hair 2 days ago. I always put my hair in little plaits after I detangle it. So I'm just gonna take those out and then measure my real hair. I've been getting so compliments that that wig looks so natural. Like so many people thought it was my hair. So I thought I could fool you guys. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if I did. I'll leave all of the information on the wig in the description box if you want to check it out because it does look super natural. I'm gonna start in the back. I'm at pretty much 8 inches. Let's do the right side. It's about 8. Okay, left side. The longest piece is at 8 inches. I say about 8 inches, 8-ish inches. My front is always the shortest. I don't know why. It's about 7 inches in the middle. It's about 7.5. Yeah, so my hair, I feel like has been growing pretty consistently. The average amount of hair growth, like baseline across humans, I don't know the difference between like different ethnicities and stuff. It's supposed to be ½ an inch a month. So I feel like I'm on track with that based on where my hair was in January. The growth challenge I'm gonna be starting is with NATURALL Club. If you guys remember, I did a deep conditioner review on their avocado deep conditioner, 100% natural, handmade, small batches, black, female owned business. I reviewed the deep conditioner a while ago and they have me on one of their sponsored posts like on Instagram, and every time I see it I like scroll past it real fast because I feel like, oh my gosh, like, you know when you hate to hear the sound of your own voice? It's kind of like that sensation, but it is still really cool. The deep conditioner is bomb. You should definitely follow their Instagram. They have a lot of like different reviews on YouTube, but then they made the reviews into one like 1-minute Instagram video with a bunch of different people trying it, and yeah, you could tell that pretty much everybody loves this product. They came out with another product, which is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Growth Serum, and I'm gonna use it for the next 1 to 2 months. You're supposed to work a dime-sized amount of serum into hair from scalp to ends, gently comb through for even distribution. So that's not really very realistic to me to like comb it through roots to ends, because most of the time my hair is braided up or something, styled somehow. So what I'm gonna do is just put it on my scalp and give myself a scalp massage at least once a day. I'm gonna try to keep up with that. I'm excited to see what the results are gonna be. I'll definitely come back and give you guys a review and update how I think it worked. I do have a coupon code and I'll leave all the information in the description box for this product. It does take about 2 to 3 weeks for shipping because it is like handmade, small batches. But I definitely think the deep conditioner is bomb. I can't tell you how I like the serum yet because I haven't tried it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I did want to mention, if you're interested in this shirt right here, it says G.A.U.D.S on it. I have some friends from college. It's their brand, and G.A.U.D.S stands for greatness, ambition, unification, determination, and sacrifice, which are all the things you need to be successful. And it's cute. I'll leave their information in the description box as well. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below any questions you have or any other video requests. I think I'm about to do a perm rod set on my hair, so definitely stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.